Mount Everest and K2 are two of the most famous and challenging mountains in the world. But which one is harder to climb? Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth, standing at 8,848 meters. It's located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and China. K2, the second tallest, is 8,611 meters high and lies in the Karakoram Range on the Pakistan-China border. Even though these mountains are close to each other, they present very different challenges. Everest is often called the roof of the world because of its great height. The most popular routes, like the South Col from Nepal and the North Ridge from Tibet, are well marked with ropes and camps. Many commercial expeditions offer support, providing guides, extra oxygen, and other help. However, climbing Everest still has its dangers. Climbers have to cross the dangerous Khumbu icefall, deal with very high altitudes, and be ready for sudden weather changes. K2 is known as the Savage Mountain because it's so difficult to climb. Its routes, especially the Abruzzi Spur, are much more technically challenging, with steep rock faces, ice pillars, and tough sections that require advanced climbing skills. The weather on K2 is often worse and more unpredictable than on Everest, with severe storms, high winds, and fewer opportunities to climb safely. Unlike Everest, K2 has less support. There are fewer ropes, fewer commercial expeditions, and fewer climbers. When it comes to technical difficulty, K2 requires more advanced skills. The weather on K2 is also harsher and more unpredictable. Everest has more support, with well-established routes and many expeditions to help. Statistically, K2 is more deadly, with a higher chance of fatalities compared to successful climbs. While Everest is difficult, the extra support makes a big difference. On K2, it feels like you're alone against the elements. So which mountain is harder to climb? While Everest is the highest, K2's tougher routes, unpredictable weather, and lack of support make it arguably the more challenging and dangerous climb. Both mountains represent the peak of human achievement. But for many climbers, K2 is the ultimate test of skill, endurance, and survival. What do you think? Which mountain would you dare to climb? Let me know in the comments.